Hi, this is Melanie from Hook to the Left, and today I get the pleasure of showing you a donation from Erika to my mom's donation. So let's go ahead and get started. Hi, welcome back to my channel, and thank you so much for joining me today. If you are a fan of yarny goodness, either yarn hauls or just really taking a good look at the different types of yarns that are available, along with any crochet goodness such as tutorials, stitch studies, and anything like that, then make sure you go ahead and go down below and hit that like button, and also hit the subscribe button and the bell so that you're reminded every time I put out a new video. Today, I'm going to go ahead and go over with you or show you this awesome package that I got in the mail from Erika, and it is for my mom's charity. So those of you who aren't aware, my mom actually has, well, I say charity, it's a foundation. My mom has a foundation where she can take in up to 3 unwed mothers into her home, or soon-to-be mothers into her home, and help them until they can get back on their feet or until they have their baby. And I had put a call out a while ago asking if, because I know how you yardy folks like to be, you guys are some amazing generous folks, but putting a call out there to get donations for not only the babies, the upcoming babies, but also the girls, because these girls are coming into my mom's home with really not much to their name. And I'm looking down trying to open this package without cutting anything. But anyway, these girls come into my mom's home without anything to their name, and so I put a call out there for donations. And if you look in my description box down below, you'll see some stuff that we're looking for. Now, I may have asked not to send certain things, and that's only because we've got a lot of them right now, and we just need to distribute them before we, and what we may end up doing is taking them to the social workers so that they can give them out to as they see fit for the girls that maybe are in homes with their children, because the home that my mom has does not include the children. So anyway, let's go ahead and take a look at what Erika sent, because I'm looking at it. Look, that's what I see so far, and I'm excited to just dig in and see what she sent. Okay, so first up is this beautiful, I think it's going to be a baby blanket. Yes, look at that. Oh my gosh, it's such a beautiful baby blanket. Look at those pretty colors. How gorgeous is that, Erika? Thank you so much. So much. That's beautiful. Okay, so there's a blanket, and it looks like, oh, if you guys could feel this, what I'm about to pull out of here. Erika, do I have to give this to my mom's charity? No, I'm just kidding. I will in a heartbeat. Oh my gosh, this is so cool. I'm sitting here, I'm pulling it out. I feel like Mary Poppins in her bag, because she had this envelope stuffed so tight. It was amazing. But look at this. If you can feel how soft this is, holy smokes, so soft. So soft. And then it goes into this other different kind of softness, but also soft. Look at this. This is so pretty. How pretty is this? Thank you so much, Erika. Wow. Look at how gorgeous that is. Yes. Yes. So soft. So soft. Thank you so much. Okay, and then, ooh, this is cool. Now, I've seen this done. I have never done this, so I really like this. And there's 2 of them. So these are more like little soft things that they hold, not necessarily a blanket to cover, but a little comfort piece. It will cover them when they're a newborn. But look at that. How cute is that? Or actually, you know what it could be? It could be like a changing thing. Fold it up and you can put their little bare bottoms on it to change so their butts don't get dirty, the little babies. Put in the diaper bag. And look at this. Any Green Bay Packers fans out there? I'm a Carolina Panthers fan. I'm so sorry. But I know that there'll be some Packers fans out there. Look at how cute that is. Oh my gosh. And we get so many people traveling in this area. I'm sure there's a Packers fan somewhere. Oh, and there's a card. I didn't even see this. So I'm going to just read the card for a minute. I may share it with you. I may not. But it is a Christmas card. Look at that. So cool. Oh, okay. Yep. And I knew this. And I am going to tell you guys that Erika, she does have a YouTube channel. It's Erika Crafty. I'm going to go ahead and link it up above, but also know that it's in the description down below if you don't catch that link up above, okay? Oh, this is so sweet. Erika, you're amazing. You're so amazing. I'm not going to read this aloud, but it was such a sweet card. And yes, we can use every little thing that you've given to us. And you guys, there's more. I'm not done yet. There's at least 2, if not 3 more pieces in here. Okay. Next up is, oh, look at this little knit hat. And look at these colors. Oh my gosh. So cute. I can't put it on my head because my head's way too big. Look at how cute that is. That's so beautiful, Erika. Oh, I love it. I love it. And yep, there's 2 more in here. 2 more. Look, another, I think this is also knit too. Yep. Knit. Look at that. It is so soft. That's so pretty. Look at that. And then one more. It's another knit hat. And again, it is super duper soft. Look at, oh my gosh, and that is so tiny. Look at how tiny that is. Oh, I love. You are amazing, Erika. Thank you so much. This was just amazing. If you guys have not checked out our channel, make sure you go over there and check out our channel and say hello. And yeah, you honestly, the yarn community here is just, if you floor me every time I get a new package like this. You guys floor me. So thank you so much. I greatly appreciate you, Erika, and you have an amazing day. All of you have an amazing day. I will see you in the next video. Bye-bye.